How do we avoid a life full of regrets? Sagutin natin. Yung tagline niya ng isang shoe brand, di ba? Ang sabi, just do it. Hindi dahil gusto ko yung brand na yon, pero napakaganda ng mensahe, no? Thinking that it will happen, hoping it will happen, praying, no offense to praying it will happen, will not make it happen. Whatever it is na gusto mo mangyari, do it. Doing it will make it happen. Ang kadalasang nangyayari ay nai-stuck tayo between two choices. But the truth is, the reality is, we will never know what the other choice could have been. That is why, pick a choice, then just go for it. If it works out, then well and good. Good job. Kung hindi nag-workout yung choice na yon, adjust, then find a new approach. That is just how life is. Ganun talaga ang buhay. And then, pagkatapos nun, we have to stop comparing our life with other people's lives dahil iba-iba tayo ng storya ng buhay. At tapos, just as important is stop living your life base sa gusto ng ibang tao. Buhay mo yan. Essentially, hindi natin kailangan maging philosophical. Buhay po natin to ha. Your parent or your friend, your teacher, your barkada will not live your life for you. You should live and own your life. Ang naging orientation kasi natin, yung mindsetting na ginawa sa atin nung bata pa tayo, na maling-mali ay ganito. Maging accepting, maging conforming, at maging validating ng lipunan at ng ibang tao. And yes, I'm talking even of our parents. Besides, at the end of the day, whatever choice you make, whatever you do, whether you make it or not, whether you fail or not, whether you do what you want to do or you do what other people do, people will judge you either way. So might as well fail and might as well be judged na ginagawa mo yung gusto mo. Remember na gawin itong mga to and you will live a life without regret. Okay?